Right, yeah.
And that triple has two pretty good pockets on the seat.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Shoes, all I have is like one. Let me see, where is it at? Oh yeah. Hey, you don't mind if I post this, right?
Too late now, huh?
And give me that camera. Come here. He'd eventually catch
That
me.
one looks big, but I seen it spewing out the top.
But I think I have about a good 20-minute jump on it. Well, maybe a 10-minute jump.
You got pair of little spires?
I got regular.
There's something to get in there, maybe pinch those off.
No video cameras going through this shit.
Oh, you know what? If you need something to pinch, I can use my, what's the name? This kind of
It wasn't running hot.
No, it didn't probably use that much. It was on the top of the bottom.
200 right now. Just because it was idling.
Top of the bottom.
It's just
very top right
there's
corner.
very little material.
Yeah, it's when it hits the bottom when it opens out.
Yeah, I hit the top.
Still gotta go back.
My gas cap broke off.
Huh?
Still gotta go back.
I can't make the rest of the day like that.
Well, maybe. I mean,
You can. Oh, really? Yeah, because I have to run a camera mount.
I'm not asking how long it takes you to get hard. I'm asking how long it takes you.
That's a different story.
You could, but if that don't hold, it's gonna keep leaking out.
how long did you ride, Van, with yours
Dude,
patched
I
up?
rode. I finished the ride that day. I tagged it. I got hit
It wasn't
again
leaking when I
Sunday.
stopped.
I rode all three sisters. Then I rode 87 miles at the track.
Did you fill it back up in between somewhere in there?
Yeah.
Right before the track and the next day?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But he hasn't lost that much.
Straight water. That's why you run straight water.
Oh yeah, because the antifreeze eats it up.
Well, that and it keeps on your tires too.
I didn't know that.
The water would just frustrate.
Watch out for the car.
What the hell?
Slow down.
I was gonna say I got complete beer systems.
Yeah.
But it's already got that shit on it.
Let me see if I can get it.
You gotta push it up in there like a motherfucker.
There it is. Man,
Gumball tack right there.
man, that stuff is some lifesaver. I mean, I tell you. Yeah.
We got one more stop. Once we hit Vanderpool, we'll stop right there at the gas station. Maybe wait up. No, it's not real far from here. And see if it's still leaking. If it's still leaking, I'd say go back.
As long as you're moving cartridges or just he needs seals? Let me know. It's not cheap though.
Hey, turn around. Smile for the camera. I got a cop doing that one day. I got a cop taking a piss on the side of the road.
Oh really?
He was off duty though. He told everybody he's a cop, and he was over there pissing. I was like, hey, turn around, smile.
Dude, I can't believe that one cop didn't fucking say nothing. He had to know.
Oh man, but we slowed down though.
He had to hear
Remember?
us first. Yeah, but
I've seen them
40 miles
chase
an hour
bikes.
down that road. They can clock you at a mile, 2 miles
Yeah,
deep.
but as long as there's another car going there, they'll pick up the car before us. I mean, they'll pick us up, but
But he can't. They won't get everybody. That's the whole thing. Unless they're an asshole.
they will fucking try. There's a constable that sits on 16. He's chased people down. He's chased us fucking down.
They tried to chase. I think a couple of us before doing that.
Well,
shit.
they chase us. Whoever pulls over and slows down is one who gets screwed. Because he stopped. Well, he's on an orange bike or green bike too, so he stuck out a little bit.
headlight. Yeah.
Oh man.
The other way.
Goodbye, trip out.
Smashed it.
Boy, man, I tell you, boy, man, them rock strikes are something else.
The oil and cartridge is the internal. So it still uses the shell.
Does anybody else have any rock strikes? Oh,
Body strike.
okay. Let me get his for sure. Yeah, his is actually taken into a face. It's turning into a form now. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And you can see the eyes. And here's the little smirk. The upside down smirk. Yeah. Yeah, man, these rocks are pretty bad.
Welcome to the sisters. Evil bitches.
Yeah, welcome to the sisters.
Yep. I got the gear guard kicking.
Oh yeah, hey, let me
He put a grill guard on him.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm procrastinating on getting my little grill guard. Let me see if I can get it seen. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. This is what everybody should have riding on the Sisters. A grill guard. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and that's enough.
I'm just gonna stay up front.
Hey, this looks kind of like it's, yeah. Yeah, man, resemblance, yeah.
Because we've been through about the same crap.
Yeah. Okay, hey, that's enough. 5 minutes or nothing on YouTube.